So hello friends, in this video we will learn how to repair a earphone which one side is audible and other side is not audible. First we will check which side is not audible. For that I'll connect it to this sound source. I'll play the music. I think you will hear the music in this speaker, but this side is not audible. Now we will see how to repair it. There will be problems like loose connection of the wire, or it will be the speaker will be damaged, so we'll remove it first. See, this side no problem. We'll remove the other side speaker. You can use a screwdriver also. See, I have removed it now. Now first we will cut the wires. You can see that the wires are cutted. Now we will check the speaker. For that we will take the multimeter. We'll set the multimeter to continuity testing. I think we can hear the beep. Now we'll check the speaker. To check it, we should place it on the either side of the probes. See, there is no beep, means the speaker is gone. Even we'll check the wire. First bring the wire out, touch its one terminal, take this 3.5 mm jack, touch to any of this. If the beep comes, you can hear the beep, means the wire is okay. Other sides also we will check. I think now also you can hear the beep. So it is confirmed that the wire is proper. Now we will change the speaker. This is not a repairable speaker. We can repair it, but it's a long process. So we will change the speaker now. For that I'll take some sort of speaker which is same like that. For that I have a speaker whose wire is cutted. It is also same. It doesn't have any extra buds. So we'll remove it. To remove it, same original process. First, we'll remove the cover. It will be a little hard to remove it. So keep it on the ground. Just a minute, I'll zoom it. Keep the speaker on the ground. Press the speaker and remove it. It will come. See, it has come out. Now we will desolder the speaker. Firstly, we will check this speaker is. Now we will desolder the speaker. Now we will desolder it. See, it has come out. Now we will take that old earphone. You can see that is the earphone, same earphone which I am using now. We'll take it. And the same process we'll repeat here. We'll solder it. Now you can see that we have soldered this. Now we will remove it. And simple, we'll just press it inside. Then the speaker is ready. Now we'll test it again. ಬಂದ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊ we'll play the song. I think you can hear it.